When installing a new main panel in new house construction, several clearance requirements must be met to ensure safety and accessibility, as outlined in the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 110.26. The first requirement is Article 110.26a, which covers working space in front of equipment. This space is crucial for electricians to safely work on the panel. Firstly, there must be a minimum clear space of 3 feet or 914 mm wide, 3 feet or 914 mm deep, and 6 feet 6 inches or 1981 mm high in front of the main panel. Secondly, the working space in front of the main panel must not be obstructed by fixed equipment such as walls, appliances, or furniture. It is essential to maintain this clear area at all times. Thirdly, if a swinging door opens into the working space in front of the main panel, it must be equipped with a closing device. This ensures that the door will close by itself, preventing it from becoming an obstruction or hazard. Article 110.26 deals with clearance around the equipment itself. These clearances provide sufficient space for heat dissipation and maintenance. Firstly, at the top of the panel, there must be at least 6 inches or 152 mm of clearance. This space allows for proper ventilation and prevents overheating. Secondly, on the sides of the panel, a minimum of 2 inches or 51 mm of clearance is required. This clearance facilitates easy access for wiring and connections. Thirdly, at the bottom of the panel, the clearance requirement depends on the panel's amperage rating. For panels rated 1200 amps or less, at least 12 inches or 305 mm of clearance is needed. For panels rated over 1200 amps, the clearance must be at least 24 inches or 610 mm. In addition to the clearance requirements, there are several location considerations to keep in mind. The main panel should be located in a dry, accessible, and well-ventilated area. Avoid locations that are prone to moisture or are difficult to reach. Do not install the main panel in a bathroom, closet, or other confined space. These areas typically lack adequate ventilation and can pose safety hazards. If possible, locate the main panel near the point of service entrance. This minimizes the length of service conductors and reduces voltage drop. In summary, when installing a new main panel, adhere to the NEC guidelines for working space and equipment clearance. Ensure there is adequate space in front, above, on the sides, and below the panel. Choose a suitable location that is dry, accessible, and well ventilated, avoiding confined spaces and areas prone to moisture. Following these guidelines will ensure a safe and compliant installation.